My guppy just had babies and they need to eat. So let's hatch some sea monkeys. I've actually done this multiple times when I was younger, but they have always died. So let's actually try to grow them. But I actually need them to stay as babies, because if they're adults, they're too big for the baby guppies. The first step was to add water to the line, and then add the first packet. This makes the water safe for our sea monkeys. Now, it says I have to wait 24 hours to add the eggs, and they are instant, so they'll hatch right away. So come back in 24 hours to see the babies.